In this module, we're going to show you how to get other people, affiliate marketers, influencers, and even email list owners to promote your digital products for you. This is one of the most powerful ways to grow without spending money upfront on ads or traffic. Instead of trying to do all the marketing yourself, you tap into other people's audiences. You reward them for every sale they help you generate, and everyone wins. Let's just start with affiliate networks. If you're selling digital products, especially PLR or master resell rights, platforms like Warrior Plus, JVZoo, and ClickBank are built for this. You list your product, set your price, and choose how much commission you're willing to give. Most affiliates expect 50% to 75%, and that might sound like a lot, but here's the key. You're not just getting sales. You're building your email list with every customer who buys. And in the world of digital marketing, your list is your leverage. Now, if you want more control and prefer to run your own affiliate program, you can do that too. Here's how. Use Affiliate WP or Solid Affiliate with WooCommerce on WordPress, or install affiliate apps like GoAff Pro or UpPromote on Shopify. This way, you can create your own private affiliate program, set custom payouts, and invite influencers or creators to promote for you directly. Another underrated strategy? Reach out to other sellers on platforms like Warrior Plus or JVZoo and ask if they'd be willing to send an email blast to their list. A lot of these sellers have thousands, sometimes tens of thousands of buyers on their email lists. If your product complements theirs or fits the same niche, you can strike a deal. Here's how it works. You contact the seller, propose a lead magnet they can send their list to so you can build your own email list, or ask them to send your product offer directly and split the profits. You either pay them a flat fee for the email blast or give them a commission per sale. This is one of the fastest ways to grow your list and get sales, even if you don't have an audience yet. It's not always advertised, but it happens all the time behind the scenes. Sellers partner, promote for each other, and grow together. If you're using products from the ultimate Digital Cashflow Vault, this strategy becomes even easier because you already have high-quality, ready-to-sell products you can offer. From journals and checklists to complete course bundles and printables, the Vault gives you everything you need to show up with value and build partnerships that lead to growth. So don't wait to be discovered. Go create opportunities. Reach out. Offer value. Set up win-win deals. In the next chapter, we'll focus on scaling up, using smart bundling, recurring income strategies, and subscription models to take your digital business to the next level.